Hey guys, welcome to Shalu's Artistry. In today's video, we are going to see how to arrange a balcony garden. These are the miniature planters we have. Let's arrange these plants in a balcony now. First, let's make hanging planters using rope. Take a rope and join its ends. Place it like this and keep the planter in the center. Now slowly follow what I am doing with the rope. This way we can make our hanging planters in no time. Let's make hanging hooks. Now I'm gonna fix hanging hooks and start hanging our plants in it. Now let's arrange the other plants on the floor. I have kept these miniature planters in partial sunlight. Here are cement planters that have bigger plants. I have kept them in direct sunlight. We often have butterflies visiting our garden. Now I'm going to make a support system for all those planters that are going to be placed on the blue sheet. This is to hold the plants in its place. On the other side, I have kept some more cement planters that has both ornamental and kitchen plants. This water bottle contains daily waste from our kitchen and it serves as a source of nutrition to our plants. There are a variety of plants like tomatoes, pomegranate, drumstick, curry leaves. So this is how our garden looks when we stand and view from the balcony. I've also kept some Tyre planters. This is how our garden looks from outside. If you like this garden arrangement idea, give a thumbs up to my video and share it with your friends. If you haven't subscribed my channel yet, please do subscribe my channel for more such videos.